so grateful for all your support to me. We love Rosemary's Toys, we can do it. Remember, nothing is impossible. Blessings and love to you, my beautiful friends.
Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel Rosemary Toys. Yay! Today we're going to create this cute ornament. Remember, you can use your imagination and creativity to create anything, my friends. So we're going to use some recycled materials. I hope you like and enjoy with me. Please, if you're watching this video and you are not just subscribe, please do, and thank you so much. Like, comment and share. See you next time. Take care, my beautiful friends. Bye bye. Amigos, vamos a hacer este bonito adorno para decorar, poner en nuestra sala o nuestra habitación un bonito regalito con materiales reciclados. Recuerde, puede usar su imaginación y podemos crear cualquier cosa, amigos. Muchas gracias por todo su apoyo, muchas bendiciones y nos vemos la siguiente ocasión. Bye bye.